Hey guys, in today's video we are going to make an over the fridge cover. So instead of buying it, if you are able to make it, then that is good because you will make one that is more durable. So I'm going to make a 6 pockets cover so that it can fit in everything that you want. So if you're in the kitchen and you have your phone, or you want to put your lighters or your matchsticks or just anything that you are going to use in the kitchen, and you have a fridge and you have limited space, then this is one of those things that you can use to have to save you some space. So this one I am making it for a client. It is she had already bought the fabric, so I'm just cutting it in. So guys, when you cut the covers, make sure that you have measured your fridge, and then when you attach the pockets, make sure that the cover is a little bit longer, like the pockets are a little bit longer to allow you to have space to sew them in. Like so, like you see those pieces that I am arranging, those will be the pockets, and they are a little bit longer. And because I wanted something that is sturdy, I'm also going to attach a liner to it. And yeah, here is where we start now sewing it. We sew the liner in, and then we will fix the pockets, and that will be it. But so stick around and see how we do it. So thank you so much for clicking on this video if you're new. And if you're a returning subscriber, karibu sana for always coming back to watch my videos. And may God bless you so much. So we start with the first step, which is to fix the lining.
Look, there's my home, there's my world. See, it's the flower, mine is lost. Beyond space, beyond time, give me fire, clear my mind, tale of love, so divine. You are human, just like now. Ooh, I can see it in the dark. Ooh, take my hand and bring me back.
So once you fix the lining, you're going to close that hole that you had left, and then you're going to go around the whole fabric, just sewing around it to make it neat.
I will wait. Tell me your secrets, be my friend. Build me with the light. I am dreaming every night. You are both organized. You are human, you and me. Ooh, I can see it in the dark. Ooh, take my hand and bring me back. Ooh, take my hand and bring me back.
So now these are the pockets. We are going to fold the sides before we fix it. So this is what I meant. You can see the pocket is a little bit longer than the fabric. So we're going to fix the ends first by just folding like that and sewing it in, and then you'll see how we'll fix now the middle part so that the pockets become a little bit larger and more spacious.